Daj Stefan! Aj!
Yeah, Christian.
Go Frankie!
You're behind!
Go Patryk! Do środka! Dawaj Patryk! Go!
Bronco talk.
Take it, Franco.
Good.
Good, oh. Nice! Ja! Christian!
Tutaj tak, w drugiej gramy. W pierwszej gra Blue, w drugiej my, a w trzeciej gra White. Wszyscy. Ale w każdej dywizji są po dwie grupy. Ale jak dojdą do finału i Kuba gra, a w marca
Talk, Frank.
Go, Brayden! Get there, Alex. Oh, that's okay. Get back.
Daję, Franek, daję!
Good job. Good job. Go, Brayden.
Patryk!
Go, Owen.
Way to switch it up. Oh,
Good
way
job.
to switch it, oh.
These lines are killing me. Right?
Which one is it?
It's horrible. Jesus, they couldn't make any more lines? back. There you go, Eddie. Yes, Eddie. There you go.
Good job. Okay.
Dawaj, Franek, strzelce.
Nie biegaj na tego, strzelaj. Na środek?
Goalie, goalie.
Good job. Stay with it. Ooh. Good hard. Good job.
Nice.
Yes!
Nice.
Hold on, Biela!
Good job.
Nice try, Evan!
Dzień dobry. Get in there, front, yes. Taka piła.
Yes, Stefan!
Brawo, Krystian!
Nie mogę te rozgrywanie z korneru.
Tak, no.
Zawsze ktoś kopnie. Krystian, super! Widzisz, powiedziałem ci strzelaj, a nie biegaj z sił. Coraz więcej strzelaj. To nic, ale ty tam byłeś, wystraszyłeś.
Lightning, pressure up,
Jakby
let's
nie
go,
było, nie było,
kid!
po prostu by nie było gola. Chcę przyjąć.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go, boys! Keep it up!
Stay with it, Alex. You can't play on the floor.
Drop those. Drop. Christian, get up, it's a kick, man. Me, bud.
Behind.
Go! Up!
A wcześniej mieli, że they can do whatever they want.
Yeah. Go Stefan.
W ten sposób musi być blisko gościa. To tak na dojście nie zagra. Lepsze niż kurwa, wiesz, subscription kurwa i zajęcia.
Lepsze, bo to masz HD przynajmniej, wiesz jaki patent jest fajny? To co na drugim...
Yes, Eddie. Fine one. There you go.
Shoot it!
Na mizdek, nie?
No. Dawaj, Patryk!
Good job, Lincoln.
Patryk! To nic. Kupił se nos.
Pokaż się, biegaj!
Te panie tam by się mogły odsunąć nawet z tego kornera. Ile było? 4-1? Ale tutaj w szoku jestem, bo Barca pierwsza, to był na tym klubie, przegrali z
Go 22.
Indiana Elite. Indiana Elite. Ile? Nie wiem, ile przegrali, ale...
Franco, mark the line, Franco.
Oni to ja mówię,
Where are your defenders?
Oni lubią z daleka. Antyfalne. Dwóch takich, trochę celty, że tylko ładują się. Czasem im wpadnie. Co mówisz? Nie, Barca.
Mają Barca?
Kiedy gra? Gracie? Chyba już? Nie wiem kiedy, ale gracie. A nie! Że w grupie jest tak. Jakbyście w finale byli. Tak, masz rację. Ale ty
Go, Daddy. Help him out.
Go, Anthony! Go, Anthony, go!
Go, Christian.
There you go.
I got it, Anthony.
Chyba będzie grał po swojej pracy. Jutro rano. O 9. O, Wada.
Okay.
Oh, you got...
Brayden.
Get on a knee, Bray. Get on a knee, Bray.
I need to come off. Hey.
Yeah. Oh, it's not a foul. It's just I don't know. I think it was like the chest, and they bumped up. Should be our ball. Hey, Lightning, it should be our ball. Anthony. Oh, it's on the ground? He doesn't even, he thinks it's on the ground.
Thank you.
Mark's ready.
Stay with it. Go, Roberto.
Yes, Noah. To the box. There you go.
Franco, start the communication. Let's go.
That's Franco. Tak. Chyba w doli. Jeszcze to. Go Ezra.
Nice ball.
Go on back.
Corner.
Top of the box.
Te cornery tutaj to są za małe. Dystans cornera powinien
3 razy szybsza niż tego to jeszcze nie widziałem.
Znaczy, że dobry lepiej.
Go Noah, go Noah. Yes, beautiful Eddie.
Good there, Alex.
It's okay, it's okay. Good job, Eddie, good job. Keep it up. Hey, win it again. Win it, Anthony, win it.
White, Christian, white!
Yes!
Go, Owen! Go, Roberto!
Szybciej, Christian!
Hey, don't let him shoot!
Go, Roberto!
There you go, Zeus.
Go, Zeus!
We gotta run with him. We gotta run with
Help
him.
him
Christian, win
out!
it back, come on!
Go, Christian!
There you go. Win the ball, win the ball.
Good ball.
Go, 13.
Christian, szybciej, szybciej!
Way to get
Good
there,
ball.
Alex.
Good job,
Good
Alex.
hustle, Alex.
Oh.
Good job.
Philip.
Corner. No?
Good job.
Pierwsza drużyna Indiana rozbiła bardzo.
Go, Christian. Run with him. Good job.
Shoot!
Come on, Alex.
Potem nagraj personalizową.
Go, Alex.
There you go, Alex.
Get in there, kid.
Mocniej!
Go Ezra.
Give him a strike.
Take it, no.
Hustle, hustle.
Good, Owen! Help him out!
Nobody there, go!
Go, Owen!
Way to pull the chair, dude.
Get in there!
Christian,
Good
mocniej
job,
to
Alex.
podaj.
Come on, boys.
We gotta run with him. We gotta run with him.
Go, Christian!
Pass it!
Good try, Zeus!
Janek, Janek.
Pick your man, Owen, pick your man!
Good job. Go, Donnie.
Nie do wiary.
That's okay.
Take the look.
Help him up, Frank.
Stay ready, boys.
Jedziesz, Franek.
Jedziesz, Franek, dawaj, dawaj.
Patryk, do
Dawaj,
środka
Patryk.
i cross.
Good, Alex. Go, Alex.
Patryk, wyjdź stamtąd troszkę, wyjdź.
Czemu oni zawsze muszą być jednym Bo oni na lewą nogę było, to mnie zawsze musi
Owen, use your
wszyscy.
body!
Co do jednego. Zawsze muszę się zatrzymać z tym.
Use your body!
Chyba na linię.
Good job.
Hey Marcel, what's up, man? Later. Congrats. Congrats, man.
On jest lewy.
Go, Christian.
Team up.
Okay, Christian.
Christian, you see it? You see it, Christian?
Good kick. Good kick. Nice!
Nice.
Yes, Anthony.
Nice shot.
Jump, Anthony.
Three.
Make it. Oh my God.
Good job.
Nie, bo byle jak.
Go, Christian.
Super, byle co, tylko je trafił.
On nie musi mówić, bo on wszystko
Nice shot.
Drop, man.
jak minął. Nawet jak poślady tu wyjdzie.
Bo tak to nic nie będzie. Może wiesz,
Nice
a tak
clear,
sobie
oh.
auto jest. Nie tam macie taką bramkę.
Ale nie, ale oni już mogą kupować. Żeby cię nie będziesz wyśmiał nawet jak krzywo kopną.
To nie Paweł krzywo kopią.
Muszą, ale muszą próbować.
Watch that pass, Braden. Go, Braden.
Run it back.
Oh, Alex.
Pull the chair, Braden.
Got it, done.
If you have space, take it.
Good job, Owen.
Keep doing it.
That's the ball, boys. That's it. Dawaj.
Watch yourself. Outside.
Jaki offside?
He was
Ale jak
offside.
proste.
Patrz, to nie było podanie. Offside jest dopiero zespolony.
Ten się ucieka. Dalej.
Good job.
Take it.
Behind Frank. Behind
Good
Frank.
job, Owen. Stay with it.
Go step on.
Owen. Here we go.
Ej, to!
In the middle of Braden.
Stay with it.
Do środka, Krystian!
Obróć się i go.
Go, Christian. Stay ready.
Pokaż się, to!
Good job.
Dawaj, Krystian, dawaj!
Nice.
Get there.
Hey, Roberto.
Get in there.
Nice.
Good.
Nice. Nice. Get what
Pokaż
he
się!
doing.
Stop!
He don't know where to go.
Podanie, Patryk.
Out, out!
Go, Christian. That's okay.
Więcej dwóch stali. Ale
Stay ready, Roberto.
przeszło bramkę, że...
Oni by tu myśleli, że on myślał, że ten weźmie ten że tam po
O,
prostu
ej!
będzie
No ale to
zostawili piłkę.
ty, jak cały czas nie gadają. Stoją i się patrzą na piłkę. Tak się, że jeden powie, I got it. Tyle.
Go, Christian. Stay ready, Roberto.
Szybciej!
Nie, nic nie taką mocno mówią, no. Ty.
Go!
Next.
Come on, Roberto.
Next. There you go. It's okay. Good idea. Good idea. Good idea. Better ball, but good idea. Win it back.
Are you ready, Roberto?
There you go.
Roberto, don't let him grab you like that.
Nice, Patrick, fast. Hit it.
Push! Push it!
Nice, Frankie.
Good job, Alex.
Oh, good stop, Phil.
Yeah! Eddie. Good job, Eddie! Patrick, good idea. Good idea. Talking mówię, spieszy piłą. Nie ma go, że zablokowali, albo pójdzie na bramę.
Odbiło się.
Press, press! Let's go, let's go!
Wide, get wide. Run.
Go, Christian!
Proszę, stale. Czarnego.
Come on, Christian!
Dawaj, Max! Masz to! Nice, Christian. Crash in, Franco. Let's get it.
Hey, get it back!
Come here, Owen. Come here.
Go, Roberto! Watch yourself! Good shot! Go, Christian!
Yes! That's how you do it. Get it back. There you go. Hey, don't stop. Let's go.
Yes!
Okay, league ball should have been there.
Talk to each other.
Franco.
Good job, Owen.
Wide, Roberto. Wide.
Talk to each other, boys.
Dobrze.
Shut up, Owen.
Put it in.
Back towards the middle.
Fire, jeszcze raz.
Come on, Roberto.
There you go. Wide.
You got a shoulder back, buddy. Don't let him put his weight on you.
In the box. Oh, yes.
Hey, keep your feet down. Boys. Keep your feet down.
Start there.
Come on, Roberto. Get in there.
Yes, Noah.
In the middle. Watch that.
Go for the kid. Get on. Go, Zeus.
Prawie do tego dosyć spróbujemy.
You got 22.
got a corner! You got a corner!
Center box, Frank, center. Big body.
Gotta go for the clear.
Right here, Owen, go!
Watch
Yes!
yourself. Watch yourself.
Up front, go!
Get
Good
in
job!
there.
Hey, we got possession because of the shot. Good pressure. Don't play.
Right to the middle! Nice!
Good job.
Nice ball. Ooh, ay, Frank, that's right there. Zach.
Oh!
Get it, Lincoln.
Good play.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
You got Bruno!
Get in there. Go.
No bounce, no bounce.
Get there.
Back! What's your back?
Go, Roberto.
So
Watch
wide,
that
watch
pass.
wide.
Naprawdę, żeby tylko
Good
musiał
job.
kurde od razu na nogę.
Get there.
Get in there, Roberto.
Go to it, you got it!
To the ball.
Moses!
Get there, bro. To the ball.
Mówisz mi grać dokładnie. Jak grasz mocno,
Good job.
Bruno, come for it! Ball, ball, ball!
taki futsal. Mocno.
Watch yourself.
Run.
Jest Mateo!
Get there.
Body.
Zadania, tylko
Body.
muszą być dokładne.
That's okay.
Jak dasz mocno do przodu, może być
Go!
Good job, Lincoln. Go.
You got it, Link, go! Go, Bruno, go!
Roberto, go! Go, Roberto. Go. Don't give up. Keep going.
Tu jej nie możesz puścić.
Get there.
Win it, Stefan, win it.
Go ahead!
You Adam.
Take it, Owen! Take it!
Help him out, Roberto.
Stay with it, Owen! Stay with it!
Good.
Go,
Good,
Patrick.
Eddie.
Get there again. Good, Christian.
Bro, you gotta
Go!
get the play, buddy.
Pass it, pass it! Got it, Bruno!
Jeden drugiemu przeszkadza.
Watch those arms!
No. Nikt nie wie, gdzie ma iść. Chodzi, to nie stoi. Powiedziałby tym dzieciom. Ref. To zagwizdał. Powiedz mi co.
There you go, John. Cut that off, though.
Good
Wow.
job. Oh, now it's a foul.
Ball, ball!
Yes.
Stay with it, Owen.
Are you doing okay? Did you have fun with Brenda? Isn't it nice to Okay, good. Now you go back and you go relax, and I'm gonna have Brandon's gonna go home and play.
Be ready, Noah. Be ready, Noah.
And then he'll come back. Okay? All right, Mama, I love you.
Nice shot.
I love you. Okay.
Way to track
Good,
that,
Alex.
Zawsze to samo robi w posiłek jak serii co robi. Zawsze ten fake shot i skręca, nie?
Look at that Nancy. Over here we go.
Go, Christian.
Good through ball, through ball, through ball.
Stop,
Stay
Stefan.
with it, Christian.
Krystian, jak grasz w obronie, to za wysoko jesteś.
Jest Noah. Jest Noah.
Gdzie grasz? Center back jesteś? To za wysoko wychodzisz.
Select ball.
Mniej więcej przerzucania, rzeczywiście na 100 autów 70 jest
Stay with it, Daddy.
No to jest.
And I'm gonna shut off.
tylko auto. Oni więcej robią violation niż ten, niż rzeczywiście udaje się.
Wróćcie, wróćcie!
Come on, Owen.
Jest Noah. Good idea. Oh!
That's all right, nice strike.
Job, Ezra. There you go, Anthony. Yeah! Good pressure, Anthony! Hey, let's go, let's go!
Ten światło finał to jest poniedziałek, czy jeszcze Widziałem potencjalny.
Można coś porobić, nie?
Drugi mecz nie ma. Właśnie tam jak był pierwszy, to on powiedział, że nie tak Będzie zrobił, jak to miał...
Adam zginął.
Don't think about it. Just get it out.
Out, out.
Piłka.
Hey!
Dzięki mnie.
Wiesz co, weź tak.
Jak nie bije, to jesteś stracony, bo życzę innego.
Good boy, Ezra.
Come on.
Hey, let's go, let's go. Game's not over.
Zasłoń, Paulinka, kiedy ty? Oni dalej myślą, że takie małe dzieci. Na kolana. Wiecie, czasami mi na plecy schodził cały czas kłamie, tak? A nie kurde, jak nie na kolana.
11:45 na siódemce.
Good job. Get there, Zeus.
Jest Noah.
Open, Krystian, wejdź tam do środka!
Oh, Owen.
Ready to run. You ready to run?
Go, Zeus.
Win it back, Noah.
Stay ready, Roberto.
Center it!
Jest Noah! Open, Krystian, talk!
Hey, you got him, you got it.
Talk, guys!
You got Berto in the middle! Here you go, Berto!
Come on.
Christian. That's you, Ezra.
Good.
Okay, ale that's okay.
Roberto, as deep as the last defender, dude.
Here you go.
To były emocje, no. Mamy dobry wynik, to nawet dużo piłkę będzie.
Ale 6 minut.
Roberto.
Nie jest na bramce.
Ale tak nie.
No better.
I'm okay. A wszyscy nie. Ja mówię masy. To nie za dużo masy.
Strasznie myślę, że jest sobie na głowę.
Ale to mam fajnie, że stanął i tak popatrzył. Dawaj, Patryk.
Good job.
Get ready, Berto. Get ready.
Move after you hit it.
To nie granie głowami nie pomaga. Nice! Good job, Patryk.
Krystian, przyjmij to!
Right away.
Go Eddie. Yes, Eddie.
Still in, Zeus. Get there.
Ready to run. 22.
Sooner or later, he'll be tired of pushing.
You ready, boys? You ready, boys?
Ready to run. You ready to run?
Franco. Good idea, Franco. Good idea, Franco. Now we need that.
Krystian, 5 minut, postaraj się coś.
Yes,
Nice, Mateo.
Good job, Mateo. Good job, Mateo.
5 minut, biegaj. Nie ma co oszczędzać.
Get in there,
Tak jest,
Roberto.
staraj się patrzeć.
Good job, Christian.
Eddie, yes, Eddie! Good job, Eddie! Hey. Eddie, you have a leg. You have a strong leg, man.
Roberto, cheat this way. Look it. No, this way. Look it. This way.
Press the net.
Look at, see that you're stretching it.
It's okay, it's okay.
When you move, they follow.
Próby ustawień i tak. Pokazał im jakąś sztampkę. Ja mówię, ty, to oni zaraz im boiska braknie.
Get ready to run for a through ball. Get ready to run back for a shot. Get ready to run.
Dobrze, Krystian, dobrze!
Stay on side though. Stay on side.
Go, Christian. Nice. Talk to each other. Stay ready, Roberto.
Szybciej, szybciej! Offside! Offside! Ale widział, no. Offside! To offside.
Press the line.
Go, go,
Roberto, you're too far up. Get back.
Go!
Push it.
Oh! What?
You're joking, right? Are you kidding?
Wow!
Hey, no. Get over it.
Get ready to run. Get ready to run. Stay on side. Stay on side. Stay on side.
He didn't say anything.
Tiger.
Rev, you know he's kind of right? No, yeah, get over it, it's too late. You had a chance to blow it. Just listen. Franco. Go Franco! Go Christian!
Way to contest that, John.
You got Eddie on the top, baby.
Good ball. Good ball in the box.
Get behind him, Roberto. One step forward. Right there, right there, right there.
Good idea, Anthony. Good idea, Anthony. That was a foul. Get over it. Get over it. Get over it.
I think the shot gonna buy.
Nice ball.
Shoot!
Yeah! Thank you, Nader. Good job, boys. Let's go, Christian. Go, Frankie. Dawaj, Christian, zamykaj, zamykaj. Dog, there you go.
Good idea.
Good idea. Eddie,
Round,
Eddie.
Get loose, get loose.
Over here. Dawaj, Christian, dawaj. Tak jest.
Back to it.
Good kick. Get in there, Roberto.
Pressure, pressure. Get there. Ball, ball, ball.
Go, Krystian, go, Krystian, szybciej!
You got Eddie, you got Eddie!
Szybciej!
Get up!
Krystian, jakbyś się nie zatrzymał, to byś miał gola, chłopie.